Hello lovely people, how are you guys doing? In today's video, I'm gonna be trying out some Coca-Cola makeup. It's kind of weird because I feel like Coca-Cola and makeup, they have nothing in common. They're two completely different things. However, ow, I hit my finger. I was just trying to be dramatic. However, you know me, anything that has to do with food and makeup, I'm instantly a huge fan. And I mean huge fan. Yeah, that's me. I can't get enough of those two, food and makeup. Now combine those two. See why I'm so excited for today's video? This is very important. I want you guys to let me know down in the comments really quickly before we jump into the video, which one do you think that tastes better? The Coca-Cola Zero or the original Coca-Cola? Because I feel like Coca-Cola Zero tastes so much better. And honestly, I don't want to feel like I'm the only one who feels like that. So let me know down in the comments. Are you team Coca-Cola Zero or team Coca-Cola Original? I'm gonna love you either way. So Morphe recently came up, I mean it was like 2 months ago, but I'm late with this video because I was postponing it for way too long. But Morphe recently collaborated with Coca-Cola and they came up with a Coca-Cola collection, which includes a few brushes, 3 highlighters, 4 lip glosses, and an eyeshadow palette. And also some sponges which I can't really find because I've been postponing this video for way too long. I lost them somewhere. Oh yeah, I had to put my hair up because we're about to get some work done. That crack. It was nice. I need to have my hair up when I'm doing my makeup. I can't do it otherwise. I get distracted. So I'm gonna start off by priming my eyes. I'm gonna use this NYX Can't Stop One Stop Concealer. These little pieces are also distracting me. I'm gonna start blending that out, trying not to cover up my eyebrow. Now this eyeshadow palette, I like it. From 1 to 10, this is a 7 for me. Because usually, red is not my go-to everyday eyeshadow color. I like my neutrals, I like my basic beige shades, you know? Red is a very bold, very intense eyeshadow color. I wouldn't usually wear it on my everyday basis, so I don't really need it in this eyeshadow palette. But I get why it's there, because it's the classic Coca-Cola color, right? I'm gonna attempt to use it today, because we're going for that Coca-Cola inspired makeup look. I don't know how much the look will remind of Coca-Cola, but I'm gonna try to work with whatever I have here. You guys want to swatch? You def. What is this here? When did I got red eyeshadow on my nose? Oh no, this needs a wipe. This needs a wipe. Anyways, here are some swatches. I'm telling you, these red eyeshadows are pigmented. They don't disappoint. I think I'm turning into Rudolph.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
It's August. I will try to create my look using these Coca-Cola brushes here. Don't do that. They smell like something plastic. They smell like chemicals. Is it okay to use that on my skin? I should probably wash them first. I'm gonna risk it, okay? Maybe that will get rid of the smell. Kinda did. I'll first start off using these 2 colors. I will place those in my crease. This is going to be our first transition shade. Oh, I like the handle of that brush. And it's also very soft. What a nice crease color. I'm really impressed how soft this brush is, because I used to have some Morphe brushes and they were kinda scratching my skin. They were a little bit too harsh. I was not liking the experience. But this one is very soft. Also, I find that some matte brushes can be quite scratchy for some reason. I don't know if my eyelids are very sensitive or the brushes are very harsh. I don't know. I can't tell. Next up, we're gonna dive right into the darker colors. So I'm gonna start building up this brown shade. It looks like it's going to be quite pigmented. So first, I'm gonna start adding this in my crease. I switched to a smaller brush. I'm using the... Oh, they don't have numbers. This is just a smaller brush from that collection. It's like a smaller blending brush. It reminds me of the M506. One of my favorite Morphe brushes. It's very tiny. It does an amazing job at blending more precisely. It's just very tiny. I like it. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to that first brush and kind of diffuse the edges. I will add some more, but this time I will also bring it in the inner corner of my eye, right here. I'm gonna do something like a halo smoky eye. Not something like, I'm gonna do a halo smoky eye. And I will also bring it in the outer corner here. So think of it as a bridge. Like whoop and whoop. Like this. Yeah, I know. I'm the best at explaining stuff. But you wanna have that gap in the center of your eye, because that's where the red eyeshadow will go. Okay, going again back to that previous brush and blending out the edges. I'm having no troubles applying or blending those eyeshadows. They're nice. Have no complaints. I like them. Oh wow, these brushes are so soft. I'm honestly really impressed. I wasn't expecting that, to be honest with you, but they feel nice. It was kind of hard for me to get inspired to create a look with this palette. I don't know why. Obviously, we have so many neutral colors. I could create something like a goat smoky eye, and that's it. But I wanted to do something different, something more out of my comfort zone. And I'm definitely doing that today, you guys. Let me tell you. First of all, red eyeshadow. That's intense for me. Red eyeshadow and my comfort zone, they're so far away they can't see each other. They're in a different universes. Let me get rid of these little pieces again. So I'm gonna take some concealer again. I'm gonna take it on the back of my hand, and with the flat brush from that collection, what I wanna do here is I wanna kinda create like a little cut crease. And I'm not trying to be precise, I'm not trying to do it perfectly. I just want to get some of that concealer on my eyelid, because that will make the red eyeshadow to come out a lot more bright if I apply it on a very clean base. I'm gonna wipe off that concealer off my brush, and now with the same brush I'm gonna take this red shade. Woohoo! I'm so excited. Oh my god, what do you guys think? I love it. Now I'm gonna take some of the darkest what is brown shade from that eyeshadow palette. This one here. I will add that in the outer corner of my eye, and I'll also slightly bring it in my crease. Then I'm gonna go back to my previous brush and diffuse the edges. My eyelids look like a stoplight. Anyways, now I don't know how to say that. The look is nice. It's nice. I like it. It's intense, it's dark, it's bold. It has it all. But it looks like something is missing. Something that can take it to the next level. You know? The next level. Something that will make it pop. Something that will make it even more beautiful. And that something, my friends, is called glitter. I'm sure that some of you saw that coming. Look at that red glitter, you guys. It will be a crime not to use it today, and I'm not a criminal, so... First step, eyelash glue. Did I just say eyelash glue? No, I meant glitter glue. So I'm just gonna add some of it only in this little area here where I have the red eyeshadow, and I'm gonna just very gently press it onto my eyelid. I'm not trying to rub it, because if I do, I may remove some of that eyeshadow. So I'm just pressing it, and it already feels nice and tacky. And now I'm gonna add the glitter. Oh, ho, ho. It reminds me of Christmas, and I love it. I cannot believe that I'm giving you those Christmas vibes in the middle of August. Actually, it's the end of August. I literally thought that we're mid-August. Now the big question is, do I need eyeliner or should I skip it? Because I have this eyeliner by Mulac. They're a small Italian brand, and this is their own eyeliner. I never used that before, so I kind of want to try it out today. I don't know, I kind of want to do winged eyeliner with this look. Alright, so this is our finished eye look. I added a pair of falsies, and I also finished up the eyeshadows on my lower lash line. And whoa, what an eye look! It reminds me of Christmas, and I think that that's because of the red glitters. How many days into Christmas?
Christmas in Greece is in 121 days.
That's not that much. We also have some highlighters here to try out. As you can tell, they're different shades. I think that I will go with a lighter one because, you know, I'm really pale. It looks like this. Doesn't smell like anything. I'm gonna use this fan brush to apply it. So fancy. I never apply my highlighters with fan brushes like that. Okay, you guys, let's see. Yep, you can definitely see it. I really want to switch to a bigger highlighter brush. It gives you that gold glow. It's very intense. You can definitely build it up. I wish it was just a little bit lighter, because see, if I look to the side, you can see a gray line right here. I don't know if you can tell, which means that the product is a little bit too dark for my skin. I'm not a huge fan of loose highlighters. I prefer the pressed ones, because if it's a loose highlighter, you can very easily overdo it. You can very easily apply way too much product on your skin, and it can start looking powdery, it can start looking more unnatural. But that is less likely to happen with pressed highlighter. I just feel like they work better for me. Now the last thing that we have in the collection are some lip glosses. I really want to try out this red one here. Ooh, it looks so promising. But check out this one. It has so many little shimmers in there. It is so pretty. It's like a duochrome lip gloss. You can't really tell through the camera, but up close it looks gorgeous. It has those little blue, green, gold shimmers. We also have this pink one here, which is really cute. Ooh, they smell like cotton candy, but I can't tell which one it smells like that. I think that this one with the shimmers. Oh yeah. So happy they don't smell like the brushes. We also have this brown one here. Ooh, the brown one is also full of shimmers. I love that. And this is also the red one here. Should I go with a red one? Is this going to be too much? Because the eyes are quite intense and dark and woo. But first, let's see how this brown one looks. It smells so nice. It smells like something sweet. Yeah, it would be weird if it smelled like something salty or something sour. Imagine a lip gloss that smells like something sour. Oh, how about no? What do you guys think about the brown one? I think it's nice. I think it looks good with the eye makeup. Oh, this... I was about to say that this lip gloss makes my lips look juicy, but I also got it on my teeth, so that kind of ruined the moment. Listen, it's not bad, but I don't like the fact that the red on my eyelids is a different shade of red than the red on my lips. So I think that I'm gonna go with the brown one. Alright, and this is our final look for today. I absolutely love it. I'm so proud with myself that I came up with something so out of my comfort zone, something so bold for me. But I like it quite a lot. Again, giving you those Christmas vibes today. I wanted to go with that red lip gloss so badly, but the red shades are not really matching, so that was very annoying. And also I felt like the red lip gloss on my lips was making the whole look a little bit too overwhelming. It was just a little bit too much with this eye makeup on, because the eyes are really dark. There are so much things going on the eyes, and I felt like with the red lip gloss on, it was kind of taking away that shine, that beauty of the eye look. Also, if anybody from Morphe is watching this video, guys, we need a Starbucks collection. Thank me for the idea later. Maybe they can have some coffee shades like latte, mocha, espresso, like brown neutral shades in the palette, and also some green ones from the Starbucks logo. Oh my god, hurry before somebody else takes the idea. Overall, I like this collection. The eyeshadows were awesome. I also tried some of the shimmers off camera. They were Denitslava approved. I like that the prices are not super high just because it's a collaboration with a very famous brand like Coca-Cola. Overall, they're quite reasonable. What else? Oh my god, almost everything is sold out except for the highlighters and the brushes. Okay, the brushes, I think that they're awesome. They were so soft. My least favorite brush in the set is this one here. I don't like applying my highlighter with fan brushes like that, as I already said. I think that they're not applying my highlighter very evenly. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope you like how the look turned out. If you did, I would really appreciate it if you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, because that helps me a lot. I'm also on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. You can follow me on there. And thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully, I'll see you in my next one. Bye!